Hello, my name is Christian Verstraeten and I'm Chief Technologist for Cloud Strategy at Hewlett-Packard. You probably heard that HP announced Converged Cloud. And I'd like to give you a little bit more details on what this actually means from a conceptual and a vision point of view. Not that I want to go and sell you anything, but I really want to make you think about where we can take cloud. I think in a previous post I mentioned that one size does not fit all. So companies increasingly, as they migrate to cloud, realize that being it either a private or a public cloud doesn't resolve all of their needs, in that they will probably need to end up with a combination of multiple clouds. Rackspace actually pointed out not this long ago that 87% of their customers already today had multiple clouds. Well, CIOs need to juggle with the traditional environment that's not going to go away anytime soon, private clouds, public clouds, and then something that we call managed cloud, which really acts and behaves like a public cloud, but gives the CIO more transparency on security and compliance, gives them a real contract, bills at the end of the month, a much better understanding of what is happening with its data than a public cloud does. Now, as the debate around cloud moves away just from infrastructure to really a discussion about the business and business transformation, this aspect of having to deal with those multiple clouds is actually getting key. That's where Converged Cloud comes in. The concept of Converged Cloud is to have multiple clouds that all share a common stack, a common software stack, so that it becomes much easier to move from one cloud to another and to manage all of the different clouds in a consistent manner, gaining efficiency and better understanding of what is actually happening around the whole of the ecosystem. And I think that is really the key and the core of what we're trying to do. We're trying to give you as CIOs the tools and the capabilities, on the one hand, to respond to the needs of your business around agility, around responsiveness, around financial management, but at the same time give you the opportunity to source the appropriate service from the right place, and do that in a way that is not jeopardizing your security, not putting you at risk, and at the same time allows you to continue manage the whole of that environment. Integration of the traditional environment in there is absolutely critical, because for the foreseeable future, you'll have legacy applications that you'll have to deal with. And you don't want to have the legacy world on the one end, the cloud world on the other, two different teams, two different approaches, two different management environments. You want that integrated, because the data that you use in your traditional environment may also be used with cloud services. And the more you're migrating applications and functionality into the cloud, the more that is going to happen. Hence the need for that integration that we've actually been talking about. So read more about what we're doing with Converged Clouds. And I wrote a couple of blogs, and I know some of my colleagues did, because I really believe that this is the starting point of the next evolution of what we're doing in cloud. So stay tuned. There's much more to come. Hey, and let me know what you think about this. Let's start this debate. Let's have this discussion. I would really enjoy it. Thank you very much, and talk to you soon.